How to wash your hands properly, my own way. Hi there, how are you? How are you doing? I want to show you how to wash your hands properly. I mean, my own way. I'm not following any convention or rules, but I think the way I wash mine is better than those conventions and rules. Okay, let's go. Number one, get a good antibacterial hand wash. One that says something like it removes 99.9% of bacteria. 2. Apply a generous amount to your hands. I don't wet my hands before applying. I'll tell you why. But before then, start rubbing your hands together to spread the hand wash all over your hands, including your wrists. Now, the reason why I don't wet my hands before applying antibacterial is that I believe it's concentrated and it will be more effective on germs, just like undiluted bleach is when applied to a surface. No foam, just suds. Don't forget your nails. They're very important. The germs and bacteria, they lock in there. They don't tell you that in those conventions. Keep washing for about 30 to 60 seconds. Be more vigorous. Scrub harder. I get this therapeutic effect when I do this. It helps the arthritis on my fingers too. Time to rinse. Use hot water, the one that won't burn you. Dry your hands with disposable towel or tissue, not cloth towel, as this has been discovered to accumulate germs. Please dispose of the tissue properly. The best way to do that is flushing it down the toilet. How did you go with that? Now you know that my way is the best. Thank you.